Hey guys, I'm here at another open house. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 780 square feet. And I'm going to take a look at the inside of this. I think it's very competitively priced. It's in the Mesa district, and I would be happy to show you around. So let's do that real quick. And they've done a lot of nice remodeling. Here, check it out. Let me turn you around. Nice upgraded decor. The kitchen is nicely upgraded as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all at the end of the tour, as this is what I do, virtual assistant here in the backyard. This is a 1-car garage, by the way. So again, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 780 square feet. It's a little bit smaller property, but it's very competitively priced within the market here. If you guys want more information about it, let me know and I'll be happy to reach out to you and give you more specs about it. This is one of the bathrooms, obviously. I guess the only bathroom, right? But it's really nice. They've really done a nice job of remodeling and paint and everything. So here's the 1-bedroom. Very nicely staged as well. You can see in here. The other bedroom. Yes. All right, this leads into the backyard, I am assuming. And again, you know, like we said, a relatively smaller property, but nice private backyard. Thanks for hanging out. This is the end of this particular tour. Again, I'm Johnny. Feel free to DM me or connect with me if you would like to have any more information about the property.